Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Select it. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. I am on Ubuntu 22. Okay, select the Ubuntu version. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages. So we have to download and install these packages. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. So click on download. Now click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 490 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap this tar file and we will install it. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43. We have to untap this tar file. tar-xf, then MySQL. Press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See, we have these Debian packages. We have to install them. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Control it. Sudo apt-install mycap -ipadic -utf8, then libaio-dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. I will keep this command in the video description. Control L. Now install these packages. Sudo apt sudo dpkg -i star.deb. What this command will do, it will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Okay, so keep only MySQL related Debian packages and hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Okay. Now we have to set the password for root account. Provide the password and hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Select OK. Then see here we have the two default plugins. Use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. Okay, whatever you want, you can select from the up and down arrows and come to. Then press tab to come down to OK and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server, but this test suite failed. It's okay, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.43. Control A, verify sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. Sorry, it is MySQL. See, MySQL service is running and it is enabled. Quick it. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of this user that we have set. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. Okay, Control A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Show databases. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now create a table. Create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control L. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user David identified by whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. Fit MySQL -u, username is David-p. Then we have to provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that you have created. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 22.04. Sudo system Control A, sudo system ctl stop MySQL. Now verify the same. Sudo system ctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Go to Git Control A. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Put the password. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. So start it again. Sudo system ctl start MySQL. Enter. Verify the status again. See, MySQL service is active and running. Go to Git Control A. Okay. If you want to restart, just give sudo system ctl restart MySQL. Hit enter. See, we have successfully restarted that. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server from the command line client. You can also connect MySQL Server from the MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not recorded anymore, so I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm star.dev. This command will delete all the .debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file, remove it also. rm MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.